landing on the Sun seems like an impossible task. On August 12, 2018, with a resounding roar, the Parker Solar Probe, tasked with the mission of touching the Sun, slowly lifted off from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station in Florida, embarking on its great journey. As humanity's first true solar probe, it marked the first time we attempted to touch the Sun, symbolizing the beginning of humanity's stellar exploration phase. Next, we'll uncover the secrets of the Parker Solar Probe's journey to touch the Sun. During the initial stages of the mission, the biggest challenge the research team faced was the Sun's immense gravitational pull. If the probe's speed was too slow, it would be captured by the Sun's gravity and crash into it. After countless days of research and analysis, the team decided to use Venus's gravitational assist to avoid plunging into the Sun. This maneuver allowed the probe to reach speeds of up to 200 kilometers per second, making it the fastest human-made object ever. Another challenge was how to withstand the Sun's extreme temperatures of over 5,000 degrees Celsius. It's important to note that temperature does not equal heat. The particle density in the Sun's corona is actually quite sparse, so the probe doesn't encounter as many high-temperature particles. The spacecraft only needs to endure temperatures of around 1,400 degrees Celsius. To address this, scientists equipped the probe with a heat shield made from a white ceramic coating, designed to reflect most of the Sun's heat and protect it from the intense temperatures. On November 1, 2018, the Parker Solar Probe passed through the outermost layer of the Sun's atmosphere, the corona, completing its first flyby of the Sun. According to the mission plan, the probe has a lifespan of just under 7 years, during which it will use gravity assists to complete 24 close flybys of the Sun. On December 4, 2019, the Parker Solar Probe successfully crossed the heliosphere, reaching about 24 million kilometers from the Sun. Its instruments observed solar activity in the corona, providing new insights into the origin of solar wind and high-energy particle physics. On January 30, 2020, humanity captured the clearest image of the Sun's surface to date. In April 2021, the Parker Solar Probe successfully crossed the outermost layer of the Sun's atmosphere, the corona, becoming the first spacecraft to make contact with the Sun. Although this journey through the corona lasted only a few hours, the probe continues to spiral closer to the Sun, transmitting valuable data back to Earth. You might not know that the Parker Solar Probe is the first spacecraft to be named after a living scientist, Eugene Parker, the pioneer of solar wind research. Throughout his life, Eugene Parker studied the Sun in solitude. And much like Professor Parker 60 years ago, the Parker Solar Probe endures the scorching radiation of the Sun alone, seeking the secrets of solar wind within the corona. However, as a gaseous star, the Sun remains beyond the reach of a successful landing by the Parker Solar Probe. By 2025, when it runs out of fuel, it will transmit the last pieces of data about the Sun, just like its predecessor, the Cassini spacecraft, until the signal fades completely and it finally becomes one with the Sun. Unfortunately, Professor Parker passed away on March 16, 2022, before he could see the Parker Solar Probe complete its mission. May his spirit continue to guide the Parker Solar Probe as it strives to accomplish its mission in his honor.